Good morning. This is Samuel. I'm trying to solve the question you sent to my inbox from your organization. The first one says we should simplify 3 log 9 to base 6 plus log 12 to base 6 plus log 64 to base 6 minus log 72 to base 6. So the first step here is to allow the 3 to move to the power of 9, as I'm going to work it out. Then after that, we apply logarithm rule. And that's exactly what I would do now. That's what I'm supposed to do. So I'm going to write, the next step will be the log of 9 raised to power 3 to base 6 plus the log of 12 to base 6 plus the log of 64 to base 6 minus the log of 72 to base 6. So I decided to leave the 9 raised to power 3 like that. I don't get the results, so for convenience. So now, since all the LOG, all the logarithms 1, 2, 3, 4, they are in the same base, so and we have the first 3 is addition, the last one subtraction. So addition leads to multiplication of the power of the log, subtraction leads to the division. So the next step will be equals to the log of 9 raised to power 3 times 12 times 64. I cover the bracket divided by 72. Addition leads to multiplication of the power of the log. The base is 6, and subtraction leads to division. So everything is still in basis. So the next step now equals to, you have the log of, I want to write is 9 raised to power 3 times 12 times 64, everything divided by 72 to base 6. Okay, so 9 raised to power 3 is 9 in 3 places, product of 9, 3 9s. So I write the log of 9 times 9 times 9 times 12 times 64 divided by 72 to base 6. And that will be equals to, now 9 can go in 72, 8, 9 times 8, 72, 9 here 1, 9 here 8, 8 here 1, 8 in 64, 8 times 8, 64. So that will be the log of 9 times 9 times 12 times 8 to base 6. Yes, to bases. I don't want to find the product. I want to split each of the number 9, 9, 12, 8 to their prime factor. So that I want to see, maybe I will be able to generate 6 out. So we have the log of 3 times 3, that's the first 9, times 3 times 3, the second 9, times 2 times 2 times 3, that's 12, times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8, to base 6. So that will give us, now I want to count the number of 3s I have for convenience. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I also have, I want to count 2 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will imply the log of 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 in 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be in 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 times 3 to base 6. So the next step now will be the log of 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 in 5 places divided by, to base 6 rather. So 6 in 5 places will be 6 raised to power 5. That will be the log of 6 raised to power 5 to base 6. 5 will jump to the back of the LOG. So you have 5 log 6 to base 6. And the log of a number to the same base is 1. Logarithm principle. 5 multiplied by 1. So the answer is 5. So that's the final answer. The final answer is 5 for question number 1. And that is the end of question number 1. So the next video we capture question number 2.